Hello and welcome to Learn English with Sakil. In today's video, I'll share a complete Republic Day speech that you can confidently deliver at your school, college, or any public gathering. Stay with me till the end and let's get started. So, here is the speech. Good morning, everyone. Before we begin, let me greet our respected chief guests, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate a very important occasion, our 76th Republic Day. The day India became a republic nation. It's a proud moment for all of us as we celebrate our democracy, freedom, and unity as a nation. Let us take a moment to understand the significance of this day. On 26 January 1950, India officially adopted its constitution, written under the guidance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This marked the beginning of India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. It is a day when we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who gave us this precious gift of independence and democracy. The Constitution is not just a document but the soul of our country. It gives every citizen the right to equality, freedom, and justice. It binds us together as one nation despite our diverse cultures, languages, and traditions. Truly, our unity in diversity makes India extraordinary. Respected chief guest, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today, we are celebrating the 76th Republic Day of our beloved nation, India. This day reminds us of the historic moment when India became a republic and our constitution came into force. It is a day of pride, a day of reflection, and a day to celebrate our journey as a democratic nation. India, as we see it today, is the result of the dedication and hard work of countless patriots and leaders. From Mahatma Gandhi to Subhash Chandra Bose, from Bhagat Singh to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, their vision and sacrifices have shaped the foundation of modern India. While we celebrate this day, we must also remember our duties as responsible citizens. True patriotism lies in contributing to the progress of our country, whether through education, community service, or by being a kind and honest citizen. Together, we can make India stronger and more prosperous. Let us take a pledge today to uphold the values of our constitution and work towards building a nation that is united, peaceful, and inclusive. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Let us work hard to make India shine brighter than ever. With this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you for your time and Jai Hind. So, this would be very effective speech, I think. So, তোমালোকে এইটো প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰা যিহেতু মোৰ দিয়াত অলপ লেট হৈছে তথাপি very easy to recite and practice. Thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for further notifications.